Usually I end the sermon with a prayer. Today I'm going to take a field trip. There's a quilt being unfolded in our meadow. A quilt dedicated to all the people that have died of AIDS. My brother William died of AIDS. And so I'm going to go down to that meadow now and add this panel to that quilt. Would anyone care to join me?
Go ahead, I'll be right there.
Andrew, that was so beautiful.
Thank you. I'm just the messenger.
Andrew, William would have been very proud of you today. I wish he could have been here.
In a way, he is.
Elizabeth, Philip, will you go out with us?
Oh, Renee, I don't know. I don't know.
I need some time to think.
Look, it's a big meadow out there. There's plenty of room for everybody.
You're the best. You know that.
I've got the best friends. It's a beautiful day outside, Mom. What do you say we take a walk?
I'd like that.
Wait, don't go, please. This is insane. This is madness.
It doesn't have to be, Dad.
Wait, don't go. Don't you see you're playing right into his hands? What's the matter? You all gone soft or something? You fools!
Sloan, every second that passes brings Andrew closer to putting William's quilt panel into the quilt alone. Is that what you want? Are you going to be with your sons or not?
Kenneth Scott Hood, C. Patrick Henry, Stan Helm, Keith Schneider,
Keith Wilson, Ellen L. Eldridge, Joel Rogers, John Mundy Vega, Carl Keller, Mike Mellick, Sidney Soons, Richard Luther, Jan Johnson, Manny Robinson, Dr. Tom Waddell, Clayton Barry, Bruce, Natalie, Rod Meth, Paul Hubble, Queen Christine, Stephen Weddell, David Nile Jenkins, Simon Guzman, Paul Rohr, Jim Soons, Kevin Adams, and my beloved son and best friend, Bob Phillips.
You are not going out there.
Walter!
Shut up!
Dad!
Don't you call me that. Guys!
came from out of the church.